Buenos dias, clase. Welcome to week 5. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at last week real fast. Last week was week 4, and we went back and kind of wrapped up the first chapter. And of course, by Friday, you were to have finished the exam for chapter 1 by 3 o'clock. And those had been set out, by the way, for all of you dually enrolled students. Those had been set out, as I said they would be, to Battle Creek Central, Quincy High School, Maple Valley, Branch District Library, EAC, the Growl Center in Coldwater, and Gull Lake High School. So those had gone out. So if you didn't get it done, we need to have a chat. So hopefully all of you got them done also. I'm still waiting for a few of them to come in from the testing center, but I have received a number of them, and this week I'm going to get quick to work on getting those graded and those scores recorded. By the way, I do have a couple of boxes in my department on top of the mailboxes. If you want to get your paper copies back, you'd have to come in. I can't just mail those out to everybody, but if you want them back, you can come get them. They'll be in these boxes that have your sections labeled on top of the mailboxes, faculty mailboxes in the Davidson building. Okay, moving forward, let's take a look. Week 5, October 2nd through the 6th. That would be today through Friday. We are getting right into chapter 2. And in this chapter, as you can see, let me bring that over, we will be going over more descriptions using the verb ser and nationalities. Oh, excuse me. We're going to learn how to tell time in Spanish, which also uses the verb ser. Learning how to form questions and answer questions. Negation, saying that you don't do something or you do something. For example, if I ask you, do you dance? You'll learn how to say, yes, I dance, or no, I don't dance. Learning about the names and last names. We're not going to spend a huge amount of time on that. You can look at it. Talking about Spain, the music of Spain. Here we have, in the second part, we're going to be learning about the present tense of regular verbs, AR verbs, ER, and IR verbs. We're going to talk about that a little bit today. I'm going to be sending a video out and some exercises practicing this. I want you to get right on this immediately in practicing and studying it. One of the things that I don't agree with the textbook on is that they wait to present the most complex issue of the chapter till the end of the chapter. They should be presenting this at the beginning so that you guys can work on it throughout the entire duration of the chapter. And culturally, we'll be studying Spain, España. All right, now let's go ahead. Let me move this over here. Let's take a look at the end of the week. What is due? The assignments that are due by Friday at 3 p.m. You're to email the assignments, as always, to the appropriate email. If you are in section 90, then you send it to this 90, and then you send it to KCC Span 101 on line 91 if you are in section 91, of course. So, by Friday, you will have a quiz over the vocabulary on page 43. That vocabulary, I love using eText. This thing works great. So I'm going to go ahead and page forward to page 43. And there she is. So you have all these descriptions with which you're going to use the verb ser. Example, soy activo, I am active. Tú eres alto or alta, you are tall, etc. And the nationalities. So make sure you study these. And again, the beautiful thing about these, I can click on them.
Activo.
And it gives
Activa.
you the sound file. So you can practice it with eText and listen to the pronunciation. Let me take this back. Also, oral video assignment 3, you will see is right here, and you are going to drag it over. You're going to make a video recording yourself reading the dialogues from page 42 of the Arriba text, okay, and read aloud the vocabulary words on 43. This is going to be good practice. I really recommend that you use the eText to help you with the pronunciation. If you're pronouncing it correctly, odds are you will spell it correctly because Spanish is so wonderfully phonetic. Get that out of here. And then El Mundo Hispano for chapter 2. This is also due by Friday at 3 o'clock. Now you can turn it in earlier, but it's due by that time. So you're going to read pages 71, 72. Let me go over to this right here in the eText. That was 7071, excuse me. So 70, and it will take us right there. You will read this information, and then you will answer the questions on the next page, right here. Alrighty, there should be no questions. So you'll do the exercises 2-43, 2-44. Grow that. These two. So, unas montañas altas, el nombre de un arquitecto famoso, etc. And all that information is here. And you know something? If by chance you can't find it here, Google is a beautiful thing. All right? Alrighty. Well, you guys have a wonderful week. I will be sending stuff out to, via email, worksheets, some extra information that hopefully will be of great assistance to you. Have a wonderful day. Adios.